Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about Currituck's Game Day Coolers. These coolers are designed and manufactured right here in the USA. They come in 6 new color combinations to help you support your favorite team while on the road or at home. The Currituck Game Day Coolers have a consistent wall thickness and a freezer-grade seal for up to 10 days of ice retention. The coolers are available in 2 different sizes, 30 quart and 50 quart. The 30 quart can hold up to 28 beverage cans and 18 pounds of ice. The 50 quart can hold up to 48 beverage cans and 30 pounds of ice. These coolers feature an ultra-durable design with stainless steel hardware and impact-modified polypropylene resin. Currituck's Game Day coolers also feature 2 rope handles with an ergonomic grip, 6 tie-down points that double as accessory attachment points, 2 stainless steel bottle openers, 2 hose-ready drain fittings, and 1 dry basket. They also include built-in slots for cooler dividers. So there you have it, Currituck's Game Day Coolers from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.